Are you struggling to scroll through your FlatList in React Native? It can be incredibly frustrating when you can't see the data you need. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you have a list of data, but the scroll view just bounces back to the top. It feels like you're stuck in a loop, right? Many developers face this issue, and it can be quite perplexing. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user mentioned that they have a flat list in their project, but it won't scroll down to show more items. They even tried copying the code into a new project, and it worked fine there. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what could be causing this scrolling issue? It often comes down to layout problems or conflicting styles in your parent components. We'll break it down step by step to help you identify the root cause. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of time and frustration when working with flat lists. To address the scrolling issue in the user's flat list, we will first check the parent view's style. The user should ensure that the parent view has a style of flex set to 1. Next, the user should verify that the flat list is not being constrained by any other components. It's important to ensure that the flat list is the only component occupying the space intended for scrolling. The user should also check the Remove Clipped Subviews property in the flat list. Setting this property to false can sometimes resolve scrolling issues. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should consider wrapping the flat list in a scroll view. This can help manage the scrolling behavior more effectively. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps were just simple text-based interfaces? We've come a long way, but sometimes the simplest issues can still trip us up. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach from another user highlights the importance of distinguishing between flat list and scroll view. They point out that these components have different lifecycle events. The user suggests that the issue might stem from the structure of your code, specifically that the list component may need a defined height, like flex1, to function properly. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution from another user involves creating a brand new Expo project. They suggest copying and pasting all your source code into this new project. Interestingly, they found that the original project name might have caused issues. The new project worked perfectly with the same source code, even when they tried renaming it back to the original name. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your components in isolation. This can help you identify if the issue lies within the flat list or if it's being affected by other components. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, your flat list should be scrolling smoothly now. Remember, testing in isolation is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.